Hi friends, in the last videos we covered the fundamental data types of Python. Int type, next float type, complex, bool and str type we covered, right? So now I will explain how to convert one type value to another type. Regarding suppose I have int value is there, I want to convert it to float type, or float value is there, I want to convert to complex type. So the process of converting one type to another type, we have to discuss. This process is nothing but what? Typecasting. Are you getting? Just observe that. What is our next topic name? Typecasting. Sir, casting means converting the typecasting. Okay, the process of converting one type of value to another type is called typecasting or type coercion. Observe very carefully, sir. What is the other word, sir? Type coercion, like this, right? So how you can perform typecasting? What functions are there? Okay, Python provide 5 inbuilt functions are there, sir. By using these 5 inbuilt functions, happily we can convert from one type to another type. Sir, which those? What are those inbuilt functions, right? Sir, first one, int function. Are you getting? What is the first one? Int function. Second one, sir, float function. Third one, complex function. Next, bool function. Are you getting? Bool function. Next, sir, str function. Are you getting? These are the 5 typecasting functions what we can use, okay, to convert one type value to another type. Now we have to perform postmortem about all these functions, right? Okay, multiple examples we require to discuss, internal loopholes we have to aware, so that you people can get much clarity, right? Okay, so can I start the cinema? Is it clear for all of it? So total how many typecasting functions are there? We can perform typecasting in Python by using which functions? Int function, float function, complex function, bool function, and then str function, right? So now the first thing what we have, int function, sir. Have you observed the first one? Int function. Can you spell out what is the purpose of int function, sir? To convert from other types to int type. Okay, to convert from other types, to int types, are we require to use int function. Suppose I have float value is there, how I can convert float value to int type? I have boolean value is there, how I can convert boolean to float type? Like to convert from other types to int type, then we require to go for what? Int function. Clear, right? So now how you can use this one? Okay, the first thing what I have to discuss, right? Float to int conversion. I have float value is there, I want to convert float value to int. What is the option? Sir, very simple, sir. Int of, you can pass any float value, no problem, sir. Sir, now I have 10.989 is there. This is the float value, sir. I want to convert this float value to int type. What will happen is, so how this int function is going to be here? Yes, what is the output we are going to get, sir? Very simple, 10 we are going to get. Whenever we are trying to convert float value to int type by using int typecasting function, the digits after the decimal point will be gone. Are you getting? The digits after the decimal point will be gone. Then obviously, what is the output we are going to get? Just simply 10. Now, can you please tell, float to int conversion, is it possible or not? Yes, possible. How you can convert, sir? Whenever we are trying to convert float to int, the digits after the decimal point by default will be gone. Remember that, sir. So it may be positive or negative, the rule is always the same. Have a look once. What I want to take here is, observe carefully, sir. Int of 10.990 or 9908, something like I'm taking, sir. Just I'm passing float value. Have you observed that this is the float value to the int function? Now what is the equivalent int value? We are going to get just only 10, sir. 10, that's all. So float to int type conversion is possible. What is the rule? The digits after the decimal point by default will be gone. Okay, well, sir, next possibility, sir, complex. I have complex is there, sir. Complex value is there. Is it possible to convert complex to integer type? Sir, I want to convert complex number to integer type. So please make sure what we are going to get. Int of 10 plus 20j. Okay, well, sir, can you please tell what I am passing? Respond. What I am passing? 10 plus 20j. Int of 10 plus 20j I am passing. Can you please tell what we are going to get? You respond. What the result we are going to get? What the output we are going to get in this case? Okay, very simple. The output is can I get 10 or can I get 20 or can I get 10 and 20? Okay, very simple. You are always expecting what? Into value, right? What the output we are going to get, sir? A big type error we are going to get. Remember this one, a big type error we are going to get. So complex number cannot be converted to integer type. Remember this one, sir. Complex number cannot be converted to integer type. By mistake, if you are trying to convert complex number to integer type, immediately error we are going to get. Okay, have a look once. Sir, I am taking int of 10 plus 20j. Are getting int of 10 plus 20j. What the answer we are getting, sir? Type error. Sir, this one is a very important. Type error. Can't convert complex to int. Type error. Can't convert complex to int. Like this, sir, type error we are going to get, sir. Okay, well, this is what you people should aware. Okay, well, sir, now, okay, float to int. How to convert we are saying? Complex to int. Sorry, sir, not possible. Next, bool to, yes, observe that. Boolean value, bool to Boolean value to integer type, sir. Yes, happily you can do that. Have you remembered somewhere we cover true? True means internally treated as 1. False means internally treated as 0, sir. Now, have you observed? Bool of true. Bool of true, sir. So here just take a bit very special care. I don't want to convert to bool. So int of true, sir. Int of true I am taking. What is the answer? Can you please convert Boolean value true to integer type? Very simple, sir. 1 we are going to get. Convert, sir, Boolean value false to integer type, sir. 0 we are going to get. So bool to integer type conversion is possible or not? Yes, perfectly itself is acceptable. No problem at all. Okay, let me show this approach, right? Have a look once. Int of true I am taking, sir. Int of true I am taking. Then its value is treated as 1. Similarly, int of false I am taking, sir. Its value is internally treated as 0, sir. I hope everyone can able to understand, right? So how to convert Boolean value to integer type? Is that clear? Sir, now the last conversion, sir. Okay, I have string value is there. I want to convert string to integer type. Regarding I want to convert string value to integer type. What is the option, sir? Yes, is it possible to convert? Yes, friend, happily we can do that. But there is a rule is there. Let me talk about that rule clearly, right? Compulsory string value internally contains integral value. Remember this. Compulsory string internally contains integral value and should be specified only in base 10. Sir, binary form, octal form, hexadecimal forms are not allowed. So string internally contains only integral value that should be specified in base 10 only, decimal form only, like this, right? Okay, well, sir, int of sir, 15 I am taking. 100% pakka valid. Even it is a string, internally it contain what? Sir, integral value, sir, which is in base 10 only. Now what is the value, sir? 15 is the answer. Suppose if I can take int of 0b 1111, like this I am taking. immediately we are going to get error, sir, value error, like we are going to get some error. Hey, if you are trying to convert string to int type, compulsory string should contain integral value and should be specified only in the base 10, but you are not specifying in base 10, you are using binary form. That's why immediately error we are going to get, sir, value error. Like sir, now int of 10.5 I'm taking in string form. Regarding int 10.5 I'm taking in string form. Can you please tell 10.5 it is not integral value, it is a float value, sir. Sorry, this conversion fails, sir. It is also we are going to get error, sir. Okay, so is it possible to convert string to int type or not? Yes, possible, but string should contain only integral value and it should be in the base 10. Okay, let me show this conversion also. Have a look once. If I'm taking, sir, int of, okay, within here 15 I'm taking, sir. Yes, valid, no problem at all. Now 15 is the answer. Int of 0b1111, like this I'm taking, sir. So you can pass a string should be integral value, and you have to specify in base 10, but here it is the integral value, but you are specifying in the binary form. That's why immediately error, value error, invalid literal for int with the base 10, invalid literal for int with the base 10. Like this we are going to get the error, sir. I hope everyone in the position to understand clearly, right? Okay, well, sir, now I'm taking int of sir, just a 10.5, int of 10.5. So you are trying to convert string to int, but the string is not containing integral value, it contains floating point value. Now observe that what will happen, value error, invalid literal for int with the base 10.5. That's all. This is what you people should aware about int functions, right? Clear for all of you, right? So how to convert other types to int type? What are various possibilities are there, sir? Int is the typecasting function we have to use. Float to int, possible conversion is possible or not? Yes. But whenever we are trying to convert float to int, the digits after the decimal point will be gone. Next, a complex number to int type conversion is not possible. Next, whenever you are trying to convert boolean to int type, if the boolean value is the true, now int value is 1. If it is a false, now int value is the 0. Next, string to int type, is it possible to convert or not? Yes, possible, but compulsory string should contain only integral value and we should use base 10 only. That's all, sir. These are various important rules related to int function to convert other types to int type. Any doubt about this? Clear, right?